Helo blant, gobeithio bod chi gyd yn iawn. Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Dyma i chi eich tasg iaith ar gyfer dydd Mercher. Here is your language task for Wednesday. Felly rydw i yn mynd i ddarllen brawddegau sy'n disgrifio rhywbeth neu rhywun sy'n ymwneud gyda'r Nadolig, ac mae'n rhaid i chi ddyfalu pwy neu beth ydw i. I'm going to read a few sentences that describe something or someone that's to do with Christmas, and you have to guess what or who am I. Chi'n barod? Dyma'r un cyntaf. Here's the first one. Pwy ydw i? Mae gen i got goch ac het goch. Mae gen i farf gwyn. Rwy'n hoffi dweud ho ho ho. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I have a red coat and a red hat. I have a white beard. I like to say ho ho ho. Who am I? Rhif 2. Pwy ydw i? Mae gen i 4 coes. Mae gen i 2 corn neu antler. Mae gen i drwyn coch. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I have 4 legs. I have 2 antlers. I have a red nose. Who am I? Rhif 3. Pwy ydw i? Mae gen i het a sgarff. Mae gen i foron fel trwyn. Pan mae hi'n boeth, rwy'n toddi. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I have a hat and a scarf. I have a carrot as a nose. When it gets hot, I melt. Who am I? Rhif 4. Pwy ydw i? Mae gen i wisg coch a gwyrdd. Mae gen i sanau streipiog. Rydw i'n helpu Siôn corn. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I have a red and green outfit. I have stripy socks. I help Santa Claus. Who am I? Rhif 5. Pwy ydw i? Cefais fy ngeni ym Methlehem. Enw mam yw Mair. Rwy'n fab I Dduw. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I was born in Bethlehem. I am Mary's son. I am the Son of God. Who am I? Rhif 6. Pwy ydw i? Mae gen i wisg wen disglair. Rwy'n hedfan yn yr awyr. Fe wnes I ddweud wrth Mair ei bod hi'n mynd I gael babi. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I have a shiny white outfit. I fly in the sky. I told Mary that she was going to have a baby. Who am I? Rhif 7. Pwy ydw i? Mae gen I 4 coes. Mae gen I gynffon hir a christiau hir. Fe wnes I gario Mair yr holl ffordd I Bethlehem. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I have 4 legs. I have a long tail and long ears. I carried Mary all the way to Bethlehem. Who am I? Rhif 8. Rwy'n gwisgo penwisg disglair. Rwy'n byw yn y dwyrain pell. Fe wnes I roi anreg i'r baban Iesu. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I wear a shiny headpiece. I live in the Far East. I gave the baby Jesus a present. Who am I? Rhif 9. Pwy ydw i? Mae gen I ffon bren. Rwy'n gwylio'r defaid ar y mynyddoedd. Gwnaeth yr angel ddweud wrthaf am geni'r baban Iesu. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I have a wooden stick. I watch the sheep on the mountain. I was told by the angel about the birth of baby Jesus. Who am I? Rhif 10. Pwy ydw i? Rwy'n byw ym Bethlehem. Doedd dim lle i Mair a Joseph yn fy llety. Fe wnes i roi lle iddyn nhw aros yn fy stabl. Pwy ydw i? Who am I? I live in Bethlehem. There wasn't room for Mary and Joseph in my lodge. I gave them a place to stay in my stable. Who am I? A dyna i chi ddiwedd y cwestiynau. Felly, ar ôl ateb rheina i gyd, beth am fynd ati i recordio chi yn disgrifio rhywun sydd yn ymwneud gyda'r Nadolig, a rhowch eich fideo ar Teams dosbarth Soar mwyn i ni ddyfalu pwy ydych chi. There you go, all of your questions. After answering all of them, what about making a video of yourself describing someone that's to do with Christmas or something to do with Christmas and upload your video onto Soar Teams so we can guess who you are. Mwynhewch eich diwrnod. Enjoy your day.